Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to unbind your mobile number from your Bitget profile. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that. Now let's simply look at how to unbind our mobile number. At the top right, you can see the profile icon right here. Click on it. Once you do, these things will open up right here as you can see. And right now, all we need to do is simply focus on the security tab. Click on it. And this is it. From here, do note that you can add or remove the passkey. Simply the same for Google Authenticator, phone number and email verification. For now, I'm simply gonna click on this unbind button as right now I want to unbind my phone number. Once you do that, you just need to give your confirmation. Simply hit on confirm. And finally, you need to provide all of these data. An OTP will be sent to all the registered devices. I'm gonna fill out all of them right now. Once you've entered all the OTPs, simply hit on confirm. And that is it. That is how you unbind your phone number in Bitget. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.